In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add breadcrumbs in rank math. Breadcrumbs are those small, clickable paths near the top of a page that show where a visitor is in your site's structure. They help users navigate quickly and give search engines more context about your content hierarchy, which can boost visibility in search results. Start by opening your browser and heading to rankmath.com. This ensures you're working with the official tools and guidance for Rank Math. From there, access Rank Math SEO so you're looking at the controls that power your site's search optimization. We're going straight to the settings that manage how breadcrumbs appear across your site. Inside the interface, open General Settings. This is where global, site-wide options live. You'll see a range of tabs that influence how Rank Math behaves on your pages. Next, choose the Breadcrumbs section. This dedicated area lets you turn breadcrumbs on and fine-tune exactly how they look and what they include. Enable the breadcrumbs function by switching the toggle on. As soon as it's active, Rank Math can generate a clean, structured path for your pages. This not only helps visitors backtrack to categories or the home page, but it also adds structured data that search engines can read more easily. Now set up your breadcrumbs. Choose the separator that appears between each level, like a slash or a chevron, so it matches your site's style. Decide what the homepage label should be and whether the homepage link appears at the beginning of the trail. Add a prefix, such as "you are here," if you want a more instructional cue. Select where breadcrumbs should show, like on posts, pages, or archives. And pick the primary taxonomy for posts, often categories, so the path reflects your content organization. You can also adjust special labels for 404 pages and archives to keep everything consistent and clear. Aim for short, readable text and a separator that's easy to scan on both desktop and mobile. When you're happy with the configuration, click Save Changes. This locks in your settings so they're applied site-wide. After saving, review a few key pages to confirm the breadcrumb trail looks good, the separator is consistent, and the labels make sense. Some themes display breadcrumbs automatically, while others control placement through theme settings, so it's normal for appearance to vary. That's it. With breadcrumbs enabled and configured in Rank Math, your site becomes easier to navigate and better structured for search, all with just a few focused adjustments.